Welcome to Wellste channel. Today I will introduce our another telescopic pole, stainless steel telescopic pole. Its main application is a flagpole. The flagpole is divided into 3 sections. The length of each section is 1 meter. The closed length of the flagpole is 1.2 meter, and the extension length is about 3 meters, and the diameter of the outer is 2.5 centimeters. The flagpole is equipped with a foam handle, which is non-slip. The top is equipped with a stainless steel ball, which is connected by a thread. The length and accessories of the flagpole can be customized according to your needs. Contact us now to get the data sheet of our telescopic pole. We will give you a quote within 24 hours.